Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In yesterday's video, we created register and login successfully. We implemented JWT tokens and we stored it in cookies. In today's video, we are going to write APIs for CRUD operations for nodes. So let's create API. In under API folder, we are going to create nodes. Under nodes, we are going to create root root.ts. In this route, we are going to write post and get method. Let's create to access nodes by its ID. So create another folder, square bracket open and close. Inside it, you need to write ID. Inside that folder, we need to create another root, root.ts. In this route, we are going to create get by ID, next update ID, next delete nodes by ID, like that. Let's write our post and get method in nodes. So let's import Prisma from lib Prisma. Next we need JWT because we need to check if the user is logged in or not, and we need to check whether the nodes is belong to the user or not. So we need to import that. So let's import first next response and next request. Then we need to import JWT tokens. So let's import it. Import JWT from JSON web token. Next, we need to create a function to get user token to check whether user have token or not, and we need to match it. So let's create this function get user token. Next, it request. Sorry. Yep, next request. Then it will take a token. Okay. Const token is going to be request cookies dot get token value. So let's it will take, if there is no token, then it will return unauthorized. So next in try catch we are now going to verify it. So JWT dot verify token processor TNV dot. Next we need to write here as user ID is going to be number and email is going to be string. Then we need to return that token. We don't need to return in separate line. We are going to return here only. Return in try catch error. We are going to unauthorized is going to be false. So we don't need error. Next, this function is created. So let's create our post method. So let's create export const post is going to be async function and we will handle the parameter of request next request. Then it will check whether the user ID is not there or not. So let's const user is going to be get user token, sorry, token request. Then we are going to respond. If there is no user, then we are going to what instead of let's respond. No. If not user, then we are going to respond unauthorized. So return, sorry, return next response But JSON dot JSON, then success. Sorry. Authorized is going to be false. Then status code is going to be 401. Wait a minute, we are getting error. Sorry, we wrote IRF. Okay, if not token, next cons for user is going to be get user token. What is the error? Cannot find name get user token. Okay, wait a minute. What did the power function name get user token request? Okay, it is correct, right? Get user okay. Cons token is going to be request. Cookies not okay. Then if not token, then we are going to return. And authorized is going to be false. Then try return JWT verify. Okay, it is correct. Card then catch we are going to respond. Then user is going to be get, sorry, we are making spelling mistake. Okay, get user token. Then it is going to be handle request, which is coming from the get method. Then we are going to respond. If not user, then we are going to response authorized is going to be false. Then then we are going to write a catch function. So let's write try catch error. Try const nodes is going to be await prisma dot nodes dot find many. Then we are going to where user ID is going to be user dot ID which we are received from request. So from here we are going to take user ID and then we are going to verify it. Then we are going to return the fully nodes and status code is going to be 200. Then we are going to write catch. We don't need catch. E. Then we are going to return response. JSON is going to be nodes. Nodes going to be empty array. No. We are going to not send this. Wait. JSON. Then success is going to be false. Then message is going to be fail to fetch nodes. Yep, it will be correct. Then status code is going to be 500. We don't need this E. Then we are going to return status code. Let's format the document. Yep. Let's remove this line. Here, before we are going to respond, we need to check if not nodes, we are going to response. There are no nodes. So if not nodes, then we are going to return next response dot JSON. Then we are going to respond success is going to be false, message is going to no nodes found. So error is going to be 404. The status code is going to be. Now our get method is completely ready. Then we are going to write a post method to create a nodes. So let's create export. Const post is going to be async function. Then we handle the request, next request. Then we are going to check whether user there or not. Then we are going to, if not user, then we are going to write. Then we are going to return unauthorized is going to be false. Then success code is going to be 401. Then we are going to take the request from title and content from request.json. Then if we need to check whether if not title and if not title and if not content, we are going to return both are required. So return next response is going to be success is going to be false, message is going to be title and content are required. Then we are going to push this try catch error above. Now it is perfect. Try get a title and uh, title and content from here. It is correct, right? Yep. 100% correct. Then we are going to format document. Then you can check now. Title and content is going to come from response.json, request.json. Then if not title and if not content, we are going to return response.json. Then success code is going to be false and message is going to be wait view world wrap. Yep. Then success code message is going to be title and content are required. Then we are going to close this and we are going to return the status code is going to be false. Then we are going to create a then we are going to create a nodes. So const nodes is equal to await prisma.nodes.create. Data is going to be title and content and user is going to be no we don't need like this. We are going to directly write it. Sometimes auto generate will make mistakes. So let's write id is going to be user.id. Then we are going to response our nodes and status code is going to be 201. And then we are going to write try catch error. Then response is going to be success is going to be false and failure to create nodes. Then status code is going to be 500. That is enough. Let's remove this. Then we are going to add another flower bucket to close the parenthesis. Let's let's format the document. Let's format the document. Now our post and get method is completely ready. You can follow it out or you can copy and paste from the GitHub repo which I have given link below in description. Now you can check our post method is completely ready and get method is also completely ready. Let's create get by ID and delete by ID and update by ID. So let's create it. Let's go to id.root. Before that, we need to copy something from here. Guys, now you can see I have corrected the errors and coded it. Now you can see we have this function get user token. Then we will have get. Then we will have request is going to be next request. Then params is going to be promise. Then the ID is going to be string. Now you can see it. Previously I have making this double flower bucket. So now I have fixed it. Now let's check it out. Const user is going to be get user token. Then we are going to send request. Then if not user, then we are going to return success is going to be false and message is going to be unauthorized. Status code is going to be 401. Then const ID is going to be await params. Then we are going to get the ID. Then we are going to check if the params is undefined or none. Then we are going to return also. Then we are going to get the ID from find first. Then we will get uh, nodes with the same ID and user ID also. That is it all. Let's test it in Postman. Let's run the server. Let's run the server. npm run dev. I have run the server. So let's open Postman. Then let's try to register, login, and create a nodes and update a nodes and delete a nodes. So we are going to post method. Then we are going to wait get not a get method post method. Okay. Then auth. Then login. We are going to clear the cookies first. Clear cookies. Let's try to register first, not login. Register. Register body, then raw. Okay. Let's try email is going to be test@gmail.com. Then password is going to be test only. Let's try password is going to 123. Okay. Then try to register. Now you can see two user created successfully. Let's log in with this user only. Login. Now you can see login successful. Then the cookie is created. Let's try to create a notes. So let's go to notes post method. Then we are going to write a title, 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 sorry, title. Then title is going to be vijayXcodes. Then content is going to be guys subscribe to my channel. Then I will add content content. Then I am going to create this post. Guys, now you can see success is going to be true. Then message is going to be notes created successfully. Let's check in our database. So let's open our notes app. Then we are going to schema. Then in table, we are going to check notes, view, edit data, all rows. Guys, now you can see we have two which I have created before. Now you can see vijayXcodes. Guys, subscribe to my channel. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and learned from this. So let's meet in the next video. In next video, we are going to build a UI for this. So stay tuned.